So, yes and no. I mean, I devote much more space in the book to the invasion of Ukraine, to the Afghanistan problems in the first year, and that's because the book is about the first 2 years of the Biden presidency. Having said that, I think it's pretty remarkably current. But I didn't devote as much time to China, and I think that China will be, without doubt, one of the biggest challenges for the rest of his presidency. And when Biden talked about the contest between democracy and autocracy in the 21st century, obviously he was talking about China. And I think that how Biden handles Ukraine will just be the key to whether Xi decides to invade Taiwan or not. I think that, Bill Burns, the CIA director, told me that conquering Ukraine is existential for Vladimir Putin, but I think Biden believes that stopping Putin is existential for the West. And in part it's because China will take its cue from whether we succeed in defending Ukraine or not.